I'm going to show you how to fold samosas into a triangle shape. So put one of your pieces of phyllo pastry on your worktop, making sure you keep the rest of them covered with the damp tea towel so they don't dry out. And then using a pastry brush, dipped in the oil, paint over the top of this piece of phyllo pastry, just like you would if you were painting a picture. Nice thin layer to cover the surface. There we go. And then you want to take another piece of pastry and then sit this directly on top. So now that gives you a double layer of phyllo pastry to work with. There we go. Just give this a little brush as well. And then you want to cut this in half, right the way down the middle. Now the easiest way to do this is actually with a pair of scissors. So just carefully working from the middle, work your way up the top to give you two nice long thin strips. There we go. And then working on one piece at a time, you want to get some of your filling, about 2 teaspoons, and pop it into the corner on the left hand side, like so. Now, you want to take this left corner and fold it to create a triangle. And then you take the bottom corner and fold upwards. And then you just continue this all the way up the piece of pastry, keeping that nice triangle shape until you get to the end. Take that last piece, fold it over the top, and then you have a nice neat phyllo pastry parcel. And then you just want to continue with the remaining filling and pastry until all of the little samosas have been made. And that is how you fold the samosas.